Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by reading the x-axis methodically. Look left to right and mark where the graph exists. First, flag any isolated points and open versus closed dots because they change inclusion. Then, identify vertical asymptotes or breaks. These split the domain. As you go, write the minimum and maximum x values you see and mark whether endpoints are included. Once done, you'll have a preliminary domain interval, or a list of x values, to refine in the next step. Now you refine by examining how the graph behaves near breaks and ends. If the curve approaches vertical asymptotes or arrows, mark those x values as excluded and represent them as open intervals. Make sure to translate unbounded behavior into infinite interval notation. For continuous stretches, write closed or open intervals depending on endpoint dots. Also include any isolated single x values separately. Once finished, you'll have a complete domain expressed as combined intervals and specific. To find the range, project every x value in your domain vertically and record the y values the graph attains. Start with the continuous regions, note minimum and maximum y values, and check if endpoints are included. Closed dots include the y, open dots exclude it. For asymptotic or unbounded behavior, express that as infinite intervals. If you see isolated points at specific y values, list them separately. If something seems off, double-check open versus closed dots and behavior near asymptotes. That common mistake flips inclusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.